Okay, so we will be changing this hood on the Tesla Model S Plaid. This is the hood for the front. So the reason is it broke on the left hand side here, or the passenger side. And to do this, you basically pull it all the way out. This side, the driver's side, still has it here. And there's an opening, you just pull it out just like that. So this one is damaged. To install the new one, again, have it open up like this, have it insert it in, fold it down, and close it. Brand new. You can see the paint difference. This is 3 years old paint. This is brand new. Typical Tesla, there's a white difference between this color and this color. So this has been fading due to the sun probably. This is ultra white and multi-coat white, but the whole car probably needs to be repainted. Looks like there's minor scratches here, but yeah. So now, looks good. Open just fine. Close it. And this one we can toss. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Catch you on next time.